Today, my people, my mom is going to be making this yummy green bell pepper sauce known as Ayamashe sauce or Ofada sauce. Stay tuned to see how she made it. It was very good. When I tasted it, it felt like I was going in heaven. It felt so good. You guys should stay tuned and trust your girl Abigail. Please trust me. Trust and stay tuned to the end of this video. You will not regret it. It looks very good. See how she scooped it and put it in the plate with fries? That looks so yummy. Look, she's about to scoop it and eat it. Doesn't that look good? You guys should trust me. Definitely. It's gonna be worth it. Today, for the ingredients, you're going to be needing green and red bell peppers, onions, ginger, and habanero peppers. Now, you're going to need cow strip, gizzard, and turkey. Doesn't that look yummy? Doesn't it? I think I'm the only one who likes it. Yummy. Am I telling me? I just want to hop through the screen and eat it right now. Now you're going to need all-purpose seasoning, locust bean, onion powder, blended crayfish, curry powder, thyme, and salt, and palm oil and curry powder. If I said that, doesn't that look yummy? And now you're going to cut the bell peppers and onions for easy blending. Just in case, like, your blender doesn't like it and it gets stuck. Because, like, you know, no one wants that. Now she's just showing you guys how she cut it up. I know the habanero pepper is going to be very, very spicy. Now you're gonna blend it, and when you blended it, you're going to add water and pour it in a strainer to remove excess water. You have to add water, then strain it and remove excess water. Doesn't that look good already, or is it just me? I think it's just me. Let me know in the comments, guys. Now, get any of your pots, any pots you like, and add the palm oil. And, ooh, that looks good. And now you're going to let, like, the chunks, like, melt until, like, it's all melted. Just gonna pour it in like that. Okay. And now you're just going to, let it melt. Now it's melted. Now you're going to add your onions to the melted palm oil. See, now she's adding that. Now my mom is adding the onions. Guys, it's me, Abigail. I'm doing the voiceover. Now she's gonna mix all day. Mix. This is gonna be my song. Mix it all up, mix it all day, mix it at night, mix it at morning, mix it. Now you're going to add your locust beans. If I didn't say it right, guys, I'm sorry. Locust beans. I don't really know how to pronounce it. Now you're gonna stir. Mix. Okay. Mix it. Now you're going to add your blended crayfish. Wait, did I say that earlier when we were saying the ingredients? Sorry if I did not. And if I did, okay, good. Because I forget so fast, guys. Now I'm just gonna mix. Ooh, mix, mix, mix. Mix. Yummy. Okay, now you're going to add the blended peppers that you blended in the that you blended in the blender and you strained it. See it? Ooh. Oh my gosh, this is so good, guys. Wow. Am I the only one who thinks this looks so good? That looks good. Woo! And now after she adds all the bitty excess, because you don't want to waste some food, you're gonna stir, mix, stir, mix, stir, mix, 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 see the mix, mix, mix. And guys, this is why I told you to stay tuned, because if you guys did not stay tuned, you guys would not be seeing this, because I told you guys to stay tuned. It's going to be worth it. Now guys, look, was it worth it? Was it? Now tell the truth. Was it worth it or was it not worth it? We need honest answers. Doesn't this look good? Oh my goodness. Yummy, 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 yummy in my tummy. Now you're going to leave it to sit for, let's say 5 minutes. Okay, now it's been 5 minutes. And now you're going to add the meat that you got before. You know, the cow strip, gizzard, and turkey. Add in the meat. That looks so good. The one that I really like that's in there is, I think all of them, because I love cow strip. It's amazing. And I love gizzard too, and I love turkey. I don't really know what to pick. But, let's say turkey's my favorite. Yeah, turkey. Like smoked turkey. I think that's just turkey. I don't know. But, we're just gonna mix it. Mix all day and night. Isn't that good? Like, you guys, tell me the truth. It's Abigail. It's your girl. It's your girl, Abigail. Tell me. Doesn't that look good? I know, right? Now you're going to add your turkey stock. That's good. Made it like a little watery, the texture. Okay, I see you, mama. I see you. Now you're gonna mix it. Ooh. Looks good, not gonna lie. Now you're gonna add crayfish. More crayfish. Doesn't that look good? Yeah, I think it looks good. Ooh, that looks good when you added the crayfish. Now you're going to add the thyme and onion powder. Doesn't that look good? Now you're going to add the curry powder and the Knorr seasoning. Guys, tell me if I'm wrong saying that. And now you're going to add salt. And guys, just to tell you, that's pink salt, I think. Yeah. They're all together. You can use pink salt or normal salt. It really doesn't matter. Now you're going to stir all together. Stir it. Ooh, that looks like the stew already. Wow. I'm just amazed. When I first ate it, it felt like I was levitating. I was going in heaven. It tasted so good. My mom can cook so good. That's why I love my mom. I'm gonna leave it to sit for, like, let's say 3 minutes. Oh, that looks so good. Now you're going to stir it. Now you're gonna stir it. Okay. Stir your stew. Doesn't that look good? Doesn't that look good? That's why I told you, it guys was worth it. Now you're gonna add boiled eggs. It's your opinion if you want it or not. Like, my mom just added it because, you know, just if you wanted it, because it looks good, not gonna lie. Now I'm going to let it sit again. Yummy. Now it's done sitting. Oh my gosh, guys. Sorry if I'm being dramatic, but that looks so good. Gosh. And guys, how are you guys liking your day? Is it good or bad? And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification button, because it's free. Everything is free. And that would really help us out. Please, guys, please, we're begging you. If you subscribe us back, please. It would be very good to subscribe, guys. Very good. Turn on that notification button. Ooh, that looks yummy. Wow. That's why I told you guys to stay tuned. You guys should always listen to your girl Abigail, because, like, why not? And you guys can, like, make some rice if you guys want to go with the stew. That looks good. Look at that. Look at that. Can't you guys say it's yummy? You guys can't say it looks disgusting. That looks amazing. That looks factabulous. That looks delicious. Delicioso. Add the stew. Add the stew to the rice. Okay, I see you, mama. I see you. Add the chicken. Add some chicken. Add some. Don't be afraid. Add some more. Don't be afraid. Add some egg. Add some chicken. I think that's turkey. I think she's adding some shaki too. Now she's gonna eat it in front of my face, girl. Aren't you gonna give me some? That looks yummy. Ooh, take a big bite. Ooh, I want that bite. Hey, how come you didn't give me that bite? Whatever. Ooh, that looks so good. Take a bite of the egg. Whoo, look at that egg. Freshly amazing. Now she's gonna scoop it up. Okay, I see you. That looks good. Oh, she just took a bite. Oh, aren't you gonna give me some, mama? You're not gonna give me some. Wow. Now she's gonna eat it with the chicken. Like meat. Oh, that was good. And guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification button so if you won't miss none of our videos. Bye.